welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more recipes and notifications. Also, please do share. So today's recipe is something from the western part of India. Now the western part of India has a lot of coasts like Goa, Mumbai. So this recipe is inspired by the coastal taste buds of India. You're thinking, why does she always cook shrimp? Because one, it is the most easily available fish where I live, and we love shrimp in our family. So, and it's super easy to cook too, doesn't take much time. So what we need, here I have like a lot of shrimp. It's like almost like 30-35 shrimp in here. These are like medium-sized shrimp. I have some grated fresh coconut, some curry leaves, finely chopped onions, mustard oil, ginger, garlic, and we are going to use my handy dandy super cool spice box. And what we are going to use, we are going to use some whole dhania, which is whole coriander, and some whole fenugreek seeds. These look like these. And if you don't know where to find them, I am going to link Amazon, so you can find them in Amazon very easily. So let's get this started. I'm going to put my coconut first. We're going to lightly roast the coconut. While the coconut is roasting, let us marinate our shrimp. So here I have my shrimp. I'm going to put some salt in the shrimp. I'm going to add some garlic, some turmeric, and some red chili powder. Give it a quick mix. So we're just going to put that aside. So into the coconut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my whole dhania or coriander. And I'm going to add my fenugreek seeds. You want to go light on the fenugreek seeds because they can make your food really bitter. I'm going to give that a roast. Now you can add your curry leaves into the coconut while it's roasting, or you can wait to put them in your oil when you're roasting or cooking your shrimp. I'm just going to put like one sprig of the curry leaves in there. Oh, it smells so good. The aroma of the coconut, the coriander, the fenugreek seeds, and the curry leaves, just so good. Okay, so that's nicely roasted. Now we are going to grind that. Paste is ready. So now we are going to put some oil in the pan. That's almost 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now you can use any oil. You can use olive oil or canola oil, vegetable oil, any oil. But I like to use mustard oil, so I like the taste of mustard oil. So the oil is already heated. I am going to add my finely chopped onions in there. And into that I am going to add some whole mustard seeds. I'm going to add 2 other sprigs of the curry leaves. Now you can get curry leaves in any Indian grocery store or any Oriental stores. This recipe does call for a couple of like regional favorites. That's curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, little translucent, and we are going to add our ginger paste. A little bit of garlic paste. Going to add some more red chili powder. This is not a spicy red chili powder. It gives it color but no spice. Some turmeric for color. And then we are going to add the paste that we just made of coconut, fenugreek, coriander. This is the time when you can smell the coconut and all the spices. You put in your shrimp. Again, that's like 30-35 medium-sized shrimp. You're just going to put some whole chilies for spice. Now this is completely optional. You can put it, you can leave it out. That's entirely up to your taste. So this is all done. It took us like around 5 to 7 minutes for all the shrimp to cook. So we are going to plate it out in a bowl, or you can use like a platter. That would be fine too. Now you can eat this with rice, with roti, with any kind of pulao or rice pilaf. Even you can eat it with like roti made out of rice flour. So we're going to garnish it with a little bit of curry leaves, but you can completely leave it out. You can put some cilantro if you like that. But cilantro is less used in the coastal side, so I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of curry leaves. So here you go. Your shrimp sukha is ready to be served. It's steaming hot. Serve it with like piping hot rice or roti, whatever you want to. Enjoy, make it, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!